The fastest animal on land, the cheetah. Cheetahs hunt by vision, not by scent. Like commandos, they sport black marks on the inside corner of each eye, perhaps to cut the sun's glare. Everything about a cheetah is designed for the chase. It gains traction from claws that don't retract and paw pads with extra grip. It'll try to creep within 100 feet from its target before bursting into action. Clocked as fast as 71 miles per hour. At top speed, it takes about 3.5 strides every second. And every minute, up to 150 breaths. Its hind legs are so flexible, they can pass the front ones. And for almost half the time at full speed, the legs don't even touch earth.
Sharp turns and huge leaps are desperate attempts to stay out of reach long enough to outlast the cheetah. It's down to the wire. Can the cheetah's superior speed close the gap before temperature forces it to stop? One wrong move or a bit slow off the mark, a success for the cheetah is an epic fail for the gazelle. But being the fastest animal on Earth can be a curse. A chase leaves it overheating, and its small aerodynamic head design doesn't leave much room for big teeth or strong jaws.